doTERRA On Guard Whitening Toothpaste combines the protective benefits of the doTERRA On Guard blend with other ingredients that help to clean, reduce plaque, and whiten your teeth. doTERRA On Guard is a blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils, which provides an extra cleaning boost that freshens breath. Our On Guard whitening toothpaste includes hydroxyapatite. Hydroxyapatite is a naturally occurring substance that helps preserve the composition of enamel to help maintain clean teeth. In order to help keep your teeth clean, free from cavities and erosion, the enamel needs to be constantly built up or remineralized. Hydroxyapatite helps remineralize and restore enamel as it protects against plaque and density loss. This allows the toothpaste to be fluoride-free but still have all the mineralizing properties that you need. Peppermint and wintergreen essential oils give it a refreshingly unique cinnamon mint flavor that leaves your breath and your toothbrush fresh and clean throughout the day.